Hey Mississauga, it's your friendly neighborhood John the Plumber, serving you since 2006. Your top choice for plumbing services and drain cleaning services in Mississauga. Want fast, friendly, and reliable service in Mississauga for things like clogged drains, clogged toilets, hot water tank replacements, or sump pump installations? Then call John the Plumber. All of our plumbers are licensed, insured, and most importantly, friendly. All of our work is backed by our industry-leading 2-year warranty. From drain cleaning, sump pump installations, to hose bib replacements, it's all covered by our warranty. Need sewer repair? We specialize in sewer repairs and replacements in Mississauga. Need new faucets or valves? We have top quality plumbing fixtures that are built to last. Need leaks repaired or pipes cleaned? Our team's equipped to handle any stubborn blockage and repair any leak. Need emergency plumbing services in Mississauga? Our team of skilled and professional plumbers are on standby, waiting to provide you with any solution to your plumbing problem. Day or night, Monday to Sunday, we are ready to provide you with exceptional plumbing service. Call us today or book online and save $20 on your booking. Returning customer, enjoy 10% off your bill thanks to our loyalty program. Want a quote? We'll provide you with a detailed and transparent and fair quote for the job at hand. If you choose us for the job, we'll waive your quote fee. Concerned about costs? John the Plumber offers competitive pricing and detailed quotes, plus easy financing options with Finance It. Enjoy soft, non-invasive credit checks and flexible payment plans, all without hidden penalties. With John the Plumber, you're choosing a trusted, local expert committed to quality and customer satisfaction. Join thousands of customers already experiencing peace of mind and exceptional customer service. Jean said, "We're pleased with the service. Arrived on time, work boots came off, polite, clean, and neat. Explained thoroughly what needed to be done. I would certainly recommend to anyone." Caleb said, "Very satisfied with the work done. Arrived on time and very professional. Highly recommend their business." John said, "As with our previous service, we were very impressed. They were positive, responsive, and punctual. Quality work and professional." Visit us online or call today to schedule your quote or consultation from our team of friendly and reliable professionals.